Mercer Towels Tower Part 1. Clearing the land. Opening of ways. For now, we're taking all these off to the side. But because cedar is a nice bendy material and all these are making a certain circle to them, they're just being put off to the side for later on in the project. This reusing of the same material isn't just to make things easier, which it actually very much does, but also because when you're creating a building like this, you want the material to be as connected to the land around it as possible. So I'm literally going to be using the limbs that I cleared away from the area in part of the building project. Oh man. Okay, so that's it for this stage of the process. Pick it up again later.